I'm a guest. My name is Dr. Kaya. I am here for erection of the house for underprivileged and mental people. Minister, 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 sit, Minister. Yo, no. Uyabona wena soyadlanya manje. What is your dream house that we as a government institution can implement? House is it's a house ne is sahlala thina minister mina na yabo bese labafati laba 20 sibagcwalisa i-house. You want it 20 wives? Lo. No. One wife is more than enough. Now you're going to be having 20 wives here. Please, this is madness. You are being mad. Sibagcwalisa i-house nama-rooms 25 yabo. Sibantwana ngingahlala 3 bantwana ngingahlala khona. Siyende party yabo. Siyende party sijabule sidle yo. Buti ngiyaqala silalela silana siyavisisana. Please, can you stop the decree? Wabona ngifuna ithi ngitofaka Lamborghini, phakha Lamborghini egarageni ethi stop. Get out and see the monument in the house. To be honest with you, Shadrach, I want to assist you with the implementation of this house, but you are not being realistic. Minister, but this that you're expecting from us is just over another level, you know. Minister? No. Yabo. Nang laban bahamba ko. Nang. Book. I'm a guest. Where is it now? Who are you speaking with? Who are you talking to now? There's no one there. No one. But you, who are you talking to? There's no one there. I am from the house, and the Minister of House is here, around. Don't carry on this type of behavior. It's just not commendable. It's not commendable. You know, I think it's keep not a crème de Minister. No. That is a cup, a mug. In fact, a mug is meant to drink here in the mouth. So, una say drink, not this crazy thing you are doing with the mug. No. Oh, sikhuluma endlini ngiyaxolisa sengihlalisa la napha yabo. Ngihlalisa so. Sikhuluma ngayo endlini yabo. Sikhuluma ngayo endlini. Ngicabanga ukuthi i-house kube pink. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Dabe abantwana badla amasweet. I-house ma-elevator at bese ayami lapha abiya lamangolozi athi asikhulumise athi sawubona bafethu. Athi sawubona bafati. Athi sawubona mnumzana. Athi let's meet again and then we can discuss further, because right now I'm not very sure how we're going to assist you with this and implement this to you, but let's meet another time, because now the time is late. The time is very late and my wife is waiting and you are eating my time and I'm going. Bye bye.